Coterminal angles are angles that show up in the same location. So if you look here at the diagram, an angle of 120 degrees ends up being right there. Also, negative 240 degrees ends up in the same location. So these are coterminal angles. The way you can find coterminal angles, there's infinite amounts of them, is you can keep adding 360 degrees, right? Because that would be another rotation. Or you could keep subtracting 360 degrees and knock it down that way. So let's try this out. Find measures of a positive angle and a negative angle that are coterminal with each angle. So for the positive angle, you could just add 360 degrees, 40 plus 360, which would be 400 degrees. And if you were to go with the negative, you would just subtract 360 degrees. 40 minus 360, which gives you negative 320 degrees. And remember, if you wanted to find more, you could keep doing minus 360, minus 360, minus 360, or plus. So over here, positive 380, they want a positive angle and a negative angle. So if I did 380 minus 360, I'm still getting 20 degrees, which technically is a positive coterminal angle. Sure. Or you could do 380 plus 360 and get 740. That works too. But we still got to go further into the negatives. So we're going to do 20 minus 360 more, which will give us negative 340 degrees. So a wee bit of trickery there. Oh, a wee bit of trickery. So let's try these out. 88. Let's see if we want to go negative. Just do 88 minus 360. 88 minus 360. Oops. Negative 272 degrees. And if we want positive, we can just add 360 to it. $448. Cool. 500 degrees. We did 500 minus 360. We're left with 140 degrees. It's still a positive coterminal angle, so we would need to do that minus 360 more, which will give us negative 220. Great. Last one, negative 120. It's already negative. So if we want it further negative, we would have to subtract another 360, which will give us negative 480 degrees. If we want a positive version of it, though, we could do negative 120 plus 360, which will give us 240 degrees. These are all of our coterminal angles. Not all of them. Obviously, there's infinite numbers.